Good morning, my dear children. In this session, we are going to see exercise 3.7 conditional trigonometric identities. First sum, if a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degree, then prove that first subdivision sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c is equal to 4 sine a sine b sine c. Now let us take the left hand side. You have totally 3 terms. Now let us collect the first 2 terms. Assume 2a as c and 2b as d. Now let us apply the identity. You know the identity that sine c plus sine d, which is equal to 2 sine c plus d divided by 2 into cos c minus d divided by 2. So this is the identity we are going to apply. Now take the left hand side, which is equal to, instead of sine 2a plus sine 2b, we are going to apply the identity. That is 2 sine c plus d by 2. That is 2a plus 2b divided by 2 into cos of c minus d divided by 2. That is 2a minus 2b divided by 2. Cos of 2a minus 2b divided by 2. Plus you have in the third term sine 2c. So write as it is sine 2c, which is equal to, now bring 2 outside the bracket because 2 is common in both the terms. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So you have 2 sine a plus b, 2 sine of a plus b. And here similarly when you bring 2 outside, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So here you have cos of a minus b, and write the third term as it is plus sine 2c, which is equal to, now here you observe you have a plus b. The given condition is a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degree. This can be written as a plus b, which is equal to 180 minus c. Therefore instead of a plus b, I am going to write it as 180 minus c. So which is equal to 2 sine of, instead of a plus b, I am going to write it as 180 minus c. Cos of a minus b edhum panna mudiyadhu, adu appadiye irukattum. So cos of a minus b plus sine 2c, write it as it is sine 2c. So what you have, 2 sine of 180 minus c into cos of a minus b plus sine 2c. And already you know that sine of 180 minus theta is sine theta. Sine of 180 minus theta is sine theta. So apply here. We can write sine c. So which is equal to 2 sine c, and here you have cos of a minus b. So write it as it is cos of a minus b. And here you have sine 2c. That also you write as it is sine 2c. So you have 2 sine c cos of a minus b plus sine 2c. You have identity for sine 2c. Sine 2a can identity 2 sine a cos a. You know that sine 2a, which is equal to 2 sine a cos a. So this identity I am going to apply. 2 sine c cos of a minus b, that you write as it is 2 sine of cos of a minus b plus sine 2c. Apply this identity, 2 sine c into cos c. And next you have 2 terms, 2 sine cos of a minus b plus 2 sine c cos c, which is common. 2 is common and sine c is common. 2 is common and sine c is common. So bring it outside. 2 sine c, open the bracket and you write cos of a minus b plus, already we have written 2 sine c outside. So inside the bracket we have cos c. And again instead of c we can write, already given a plus b plus c என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, 180 degree கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So we can write c as 180 a plus b right side கொண்டு வந்துருங்க. அப்போ minus of a plus b. So we have c is equal to 180 minus of a plus b. So substitute here. So which is equal to 2 sin c into cos of a minus b plus cos of, instead of c we can write 180 minus of a plus b. 180 minus of a plus b. And again you are going to apply the identity. What is cos of 180 minus theta? It is minus cos theta. So you know that cos of 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So this identity we are going to apply here. Instead of theta we have a plus b. So which is equal to, write 2 sin c as it is, and cos of a minus b write as it is. And next you have cos of 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So write minus cos. Instead of theta we are going to write a plus b. So write a plus b. Again you are going to apply identity. You know that cos of a minus b is, what is cos of a minus b identity? It is cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. And next, what is cos of a plus b? Cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Now you have to subtract these two, because here between the two terms we have minus sign. So subtract it. So plus means minus, inga plus irukku, so assume minus, and this is minus, change the sign, plus. So it subtract panningana, this is what you have, and either cancel idom. Both the terms are same but opposite in sign, and both the terms are same and have same sign. So write 2 sin a sin b. 2 sin a sin b. And instead of what we have in the bracket, instead of this we are going to write 2 sin a sin b. So which is equal to 2 sin c, and instead of the bracket, in the bracket what we have, cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b, we are going to substitute 2 sin a sin b. So substitute 2 sin a sin b, and multiply these two, we get 2 2s are 4 sin a sin b into sin c. Now look at the question. What you have in the right hand side? 4 sin a sin b sin c. The same we have obtained here, which is equal to the right hand side. Hence proved. Thank you, children.